How to view all Facebook keyboard shortcuts on laptop or PC. Open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar. Type in facebook.com. Press enter. You will be led to the official website of Facebook. Click on the profile icon that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options. Click on the option Display and Accessibility. You'll be able to see the settings related with display and accessibility. Click on the option Keyboard. Click on the option See All Keyboard Shortcuts that you can see on the screen. Wait for it to load. Now you'll be able to see all the Facebook keyboard shortcuts over here. By pressing these keyboard shortcuts, you'll be able to access these features. Like this, you can view all Facebook keyboard shortcuts on laptop or PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.